How to Make a Sock Puppet with Charlotte and Delilah, page 10 in the activity book. You will need some socks, some craft supplies like eyes and stickers or buttons, as well as some pom-poms, anything you like really, decorations, and glue. First you want to get your sock and you want to stick on your little eyes. Make sure that mum or dad or nan or whoever's looking after you helps you stick them on because the glue is very, very sticky. We used some colourful little pom-poms to make some hair for our little sock baby. Then cheeky sock baby tried to bite Delilah. We had to say, "No biting, we don't hurt our friends or family." Then we used some really glittery stickers and made a necklace for Sock Baby. Then it was on to making Sock Mum. We got a bigger sock and we chose some different kinds of eyes. We got out our glue and we stuck them on where we wanted Sock Mum's eyes to go. Then we used the same glittery stickers that we did for Sock Baby's necklace and we made some earrings for Sock Mum and gave her a pretty rose on her head. It was a lot of fun. We hope you have fun making it too.